Ever wondered why some brands are etched in your memory while others just fade away? The answer lies in their brand strategy and positioning. It's a fascinating world, one that we're about to delve into. Imagine a brand as a person. Just like us, a brand has a personality, a story, and a unique voice. It's these elements that make a brand memorable, relatable, and ultimately successful. But how do we create this identity? The answer is through a well-defined brand strategy. Developing a brand strategy is like crafting a blueprint for a skyscraper. It's the foundation, the pillars, and the facade, all integrated into one plan. The first step in this process is to define the brand's mission, vision, and core values. These are the brand's guiding principles, the compass that directs all its actions. Following the definition of the brand's core, the next step is to create the brand's personality. Think about the kind of person your brand would be if it were human. Would it be sophisticated and witty, or fun-loving and adventurous? This personality shapes the brand's voice, its communication style, and the emotional connection it builds with its audience. Speaking of the audience, defining the target audience is the next crucial step in developing a brand strategy. Who are you speaking to? What do they value? What are their needs and wants? Understanding the target audience helps to tailor the brand message and offerings, ensuring they resonate and create a lasting impact. Once the target audience is defined, it's time to position the brand in the marketplace. This involves carving out a unique space in the minds of the consumers, a space where only your brand resides. Think of it as the brand's home, a place that reflects its personality and values. Market positioning is all about creating this unique perception in the consumer's mind. But the journey doesn't end here. The marketplace is a battleground with numerous brands vying for the consumer's attention. This is where brand differentiation and competitive analysis come into play. Understanding the competitive landscape helps to identify the brand's unique selling proposition, what sets it apart from the crowd. Brand differentiation is about highlighting these unique aspects, making the brand stand out in the sea of sameness. It's about creating a unique, compelling, and memorable brand experience that keeps the consumers coming back for more. To sum it up, brand strategy and positioning is a meticulous process. It begins with defining the brand's core, crafting its personality, and understanding the target audience. It then involves positioning the brand in the marketplace and differentiating it from the competition. A robust brand strategy is the foundation of a successful brand, one that resonates with its audience, stands out in the marketplace, and leaves a lasting impression. So, when you think about your favorite brands, remember the strategic planning and positioning that have gone into making them memorable.